Here I have TCL 405, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly, you should go to some files application like this one. So here you can transfer like downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and apps. So let's transfer some images. For example, this one and this one. Okay, maybe this one and this one. So you just select them like this, hold your finger on it, then select it. Then you tap on three dots, select if you want to move these images or if you want to copy them. So let's copy. Then select where to SD card in our case. And here you can select to which folder you want to transfer these images. Could be pictures for me, tap copy here and it's done. And now you have these images here on your SD card. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.